एक मिनट है बेटा। ठीक है, all of you please stop writing and pay attention to the board. Okay, so first wave is y1 is a sine kx minus omega t. Okay, acha, in the last class I taught you about the reflection and transmission of waves. You remember or not?
Yes, sir.
Second one is a sine kx. This negative sign indicates what? Shiv, what does this negative sign indicates, beta?
Sir, direction of wave.
Direction of wave. Very good. This is in which direction? So the this wave is traveling in which direction if it is negative sign?
Sir, backward direction.
Negative x axis, ऐसे बोलो उसको, ठीक है? और पॉजिटिव साइन होता है तो कहाँ ट्रैवल कर रहा है वेव?
Positive x-axis.
पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस नहीं रे, नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस।
हाँ,
नेगेटिव साइन का मतलब पॉजिटिव एक्स
positive
एक्सिस
x-axis.
और पॉजिटिव का मतलब नेगेटिव एक्स एक्सिस।
Negative x-axis.
मनस्वी, अगर समझ नहीं आए ना बेटा तो पूछना, ठीक है? हाँ
No, so this I know from SHM. ये होता है.
हाँ 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 हाँ, मतलब ये इक्वेशन एसएचएम की नहीं है, बट हाँ सिमिलर इक्वेशन होती है, ठीक है? तो हियर देयर आर टू वेरिएबल्स x एंड t, है ना? ओके, so now what will be the resultant wave? Resultant wave will be y1 plus y2. So this is, all of you are aware about this formula, a sine a, sorry, sine a plus sine b. You guys remember it or not? What is sine a plus sine b?
Yes.
क्या होता है बताओ? 2
2
sine,
a plus b by 2.
okay,
Cos a minus b by 2.
cos a minus b by 2. सबको याद है बच्चों ये?
हाँ सर.
नहीं है तो अभी याद कर लो। अब देखो यहाँ पे टेक दिस एज a and take this as b, and please pay attention whatever I am doing here. 2a sine a plus b by 2. So omega t and omega t cancels out. K 2kx by 2 gives you kx plus delta by 2, right? Then it is cos of a minus b by 2. Kx cancels out. Minus omega t becomes minus 2 omega t minus delta, right? Cos of minus theta is as good as cos theta. So this becomes cos of omega t plus delta by 2. All of you please write in your copy, ये इसको check कर लो कि whether it is correct or not, ठीक है? If you are understanding it or not. ये formula explanation, ठीक है? Bhavani, understood or not? Bhavani,
Yes, sir.
Shreyashri, Krisha, Shrinkla,
Yes, sir, got it, sir.
Lakshit, Anu,
Yes, sir.
चलो बहुत बढ़िया। मनस्वी, यह समझ आया बेटा आपको?
हाँ सर.
बहुत बढ़िया, ठीक है। अब all of you pay attention here. इधर देखो सब ध्यान से। See this term, ठीक है? For a particular position, for a given x, x becomes a fixed thing now. Position है ना पार्टिकल का, तो किसी भी पोजीशन के पार्टिकल को any particles position, ठीक है? For any given position, this term, the term is a constant. Yes or no? Which term I am talking about? I am talking about this term. बोलिए, yes or no?
Sine. Yes, sir.
If k is a constant, k was wave number, delta was phased constant, x was the only variable here. अगर हम उसकी भी value substitute कर रहे हैं, if we are substituting its value, that entire term is constant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So now what
Yes,
I
sir.
call here, what I say is, we have this yr as ar cos omega t plus delta by 2. All of you please pay attention. This is a very important relation, okay? I am calling this term as AR, the resultant amplitude of the particle. Now, this was a constant for given x. now you can see which type of equation this is. कौन सा equation है ये बताओ? Cos of omega t plus delta by 2. AR is a constant, so AR is constant, right? So AR cos omega t plus delta by 2 is representing which type of equation? अरे बोलो भाई, तुम सबने पढ़ा है. शिव कल्याण शेट्टी जी बताइए. छप्पन छपाई में लगे हुए हैं आप, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
सर नहीं याद आ रहा सर।
अरे ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. कितनी जगह देखा है बेटा इस टाइप के इक्वेशन को तूने? कौन कौन से चैप्टर में देखा है? चल बता.
SHM.
SHM, वेरी गुड भवानी. तो ये SHM का इक्वेशन दिखता है कि नहीं दिखता है?
सर हाँ सर उसी चैप्टर का है।
See your displacement. What is YR representing? ये Manasvi, what is YR representing बेटा?
The resultant.
नहीं, it is the displacement of the particle. हाँ तुम्हें नहीं मालूम होगा, I'm
हाँ.
sorry. है ना? It is the displacement of the particle, right? Now, if the displacement of the particle is a sinusoidal function of time, yes or no? It's cos omega t plus delta by 2. It's a sinusoidal function of time. Sinusoidal का मतलब क्या होता है? श्रेयसी, remember or not? जानवी, what is sinusoidal का मतलब?
हाँ सर, sir having a form of sine curve, that's
Sine और cos curve, right?
sine और cos का.
हाँ, तो साइन कोसाइन के कर्व्स को हम साइनोसॉइडल फंक्शंस बोलते हैं. तो इट हैज अ साइनोसॉइडल फंक्शन
Yes, sir.
ऑफ टाइम t. सो दिस इज, ये रिप्रेजेंट क्या कर रहा है कि ऑल द पार्टिकल्स, ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है? दिस फंक्शन डिनोट्स, दिस फंक्शन डिनोट्स दैट और indicates that, sorry, indicates that every particle of the medium is oscillating simple harmonically. Understood or not? This function indicates that every particle of the medium is oscillating simple harmonically. And if you guys remember, when do we use cos as a function? There are two different types of functions of SHM. One is sine, the other one is cos. So when do we use cos and when do we use sine? Yes, Bhavani.
We use
हाँ. Manasvi, you want to say anything? बोलो
we
बोलो.
use cos when the particle starts oscillating from the extreme position towards the mean
Very good.
position.
शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. Sine कब use करते हैं भवानी? When do we use sine, Bhavani?
For velocity, when it is
When
when
we
we are
take,
measuring from
हाँ बोलो बोलो. When we
mean position
mean
as
position. When we see, we use sine.
reference.
We use sine when we use mean as a reference, and we use cos when we use extreme as a reference, right?
Extreme as a reference.
When it is only cos omega t, then the particle is starts oscillating from extreme. When it is only sine omega t, then the particle starts oscillating from mean position. Delta by 2 नहीं रहता है उसमें. ठीक है? यहाँ पे it is showing that the reference is extreme. Okay, all of you understood this or not? Krisha, समझ आया
Yes,
बेटा?
sir.
कृषा, जानवी, श्रेयसी, लक्षित, अनु,
Yes, sir.
श्रृंखला,
Yes, sir.
शिव कल्याण शेट्टी जी, आपको याद आया कि नहीं आया सर?
हाँ सर आ रहा है।
बहुत बढ़िया. तो now what we will do is we will take a simple case initially of a string fixed at, first case is we are observing a string fixed at one end, sorry, both ends. We are finding the resonating frequency of string fixed at both ends. सुनो ना, प्लीज लिखो मत अभी, मैं तुम्हें लिखने का टाइम दूंगा पक्का, प्रॉमिस. बस अभी समझो तुम लोग, ठीक है? इसको समझ लोगे ना बेटा, नहीं तो ये रटना पड़ेगा तुमको, फिर हर फॉर्मूला रटने जाओगे फिर तुम लोग, इसलिए पहले समझो. मैं बोल रहा हूं तुम्हारे पास टाइम है, तुम क्यों चिंता कर रहे हो? So this is a string fixed at both ends, right? Now, the length of the string is L. This is x is equal to 0. This is x is equal to L. Okay. All of you pay attention. First case is at x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0, the displacement of the particle is 0. Yes or no? This string is tied. This string is tied at this end, right? At x is equal to 0. So will that particle ever get displaced? वो particle कभी displace करेगा क्या? Say yes or no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Never ever.
No, sir.
Very good. So since that particle will not get displaced, okay, since that particle will not get displaced, so always remember that at x is equal to 0, the particle's displacement is 0. Now displacement depends on two different things. Which one are they? One is AR, the other one is cos of omega t plus delta by 2. Now can cos of omega t plus delta by 2 can always be 0? My question is, can cos omega t plus delta by 2 always be 0? All of you, yes or no? Can it be always 0?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sure, because it's a function of time.
Yes, sir.
It's a function of time. It cannot be always 0, right? So YR cannot be 0 and YR is always 0. So YR cannot be always 0 because of cos omega t plus delta by 2. So now what we can say is YR is always 0. That is YR is 0, right? This displacement of the particle is YR. So this gives me AR is equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
AR को हमेशा 0 होना पड़ेगा. आप लोग को ये समझ आया या नहीं आया?
हाँ, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. Now we have what is AR? AR is 2A sin K. X की जगह पे 0 डालो बेटा. X की जगह पे 0 substitute करो. So this is 0 plus delta by 2 is equal to 0, right? So from here I get sin delta by 2 is equal to 0. And finally from here I get delta is 0. All of you understood this derivation or not?
Yes.
How to find delta here?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now just read this part of the screen and tell me if you have any doubts. And please don't start copying it, okay? फटाफट इसको पढ़ो, आधा सेकंड लो पढ़ो, आधा मिनट लो पढ़ो, and we will move for the second condition. I'll give you enough time to copy, don't worry. Understood all of you? Any doubts? Only that part of the code. YR is always 0. Why YR can always be 0? Because it is not dependent on cos omega t plus delta by 2. It is only dependent on AR. Though it is dependent on both of them, but it cannot be always 0 because of cos thing. So it will be 0 because of only AR. And substitute the value of 2A sin K, X की value 0 put karo plus delta by 2 is equal to 0. I hope all of you understood it. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, शाबाश. Now comes कि भाई, what about the second case? See, we are using, you remember I told you about what are the 3 different properties of medium? You remember or not? For a plane progressive wave to propagate in the medium, what were the three different properties? It should be elastic, it should be inertial,
Inertial and
Inertial.
it should be continuous, right?
Continuous.
So-
Yes, sir.
Continuous define करने के लिए boundary conditions are must. Boundary conditions are must required, right? So here we are using the boundary conditions to find the wave frequency and all. देखो पहली boundary condition से we found delta. The second boundary condition is what? Just see. At x is equal to L, right? At x is equal to L, again YR is 0. Is 0, and hence its amplitude is 0. बोलो हाँ या ना? Same logic, same reasoning यहाँ पे भी है, because it cannot, cos of omega t plus delta by 2 cannot be always 0. So AR has to be 0. And what is AR now? बेटा AR है यहाँ पे 2a sin. कौन बता रहा है मुझे ये? 2a sin. मनस्वी ट्राई करोगी बेटा?
Oh, 2a sin k
K?
into 0,
नहीं, not 0
k
now.
into L,
L.
Yes.
Mm.
Yes.
k into
There
L.
is no delta by 2 because
Yeah.
delta is already 0 now. So
Yeah.
this is equal to what? Now it is 0. Now, कौन है यहाँ पे? Anu, what is KL now? Janvi, what is the general solution for KL? Sorry, sin KL 0 है यहाँ पे. So what will be KL now?
0, sir.
नहीं, n pi, general solution.
Yes, sir.
It is n pi, right? So L is equal to what? L is equal to, write K as 2 pi by lambda. Write K as 2 pi by lambda into L is equal to n pi. Okay. So from here I get L as n lambda by 2. And frequency F will be equal to n V by 2L. Since lambda is equal to V upon F. यहां तक सबको समझ में आया या नहीं आया है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what should be the value of? एक मिनट रुको यार, इसको ना यहां से उठा के यहां रख दूं तो चलेगा, और इसको उठा के यहां रख दो. Now all of you tell me, what should be the value of n? Can it be 0, 1, 2, 3, or should I start from 1, 2, 3, 4? Any one of you. What should be the value of n? Can it be 0? As Janvi said that it should be equal to 0. KL is equal to 0. So according to her, n should be equal to 0. Yes or no? But can we do it? Can we write it?
No, sir. It will
No,
pass.
sir.
Why we cannot write? Why?
Sir, if frequency is 0, then lambda
Yes,
will become
sir.
infinity.
ना
Frequency cannot
ऐसे
be
ऐसे
zero.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं. भाई फ्रीक्वेंसी से पहले लेंथ आता है, जो फिजिकल क्वांट, जो अरे मीडियम ही नहीं बचेगा तो बनेगा कहाँ? You cannot write n as 0 because length cannot be 0.
Yes,
Frequency तो बाद में आएगा, बात ही बाद में करेंगे. All of you understood or not? So
Yes, sir.
n cannot be 0, right? N starts from 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Now all of you please pay attention here. For n is equal to 1, For n is equal to 1, length is equal to lambda by 2. And what about frequency? It's V by 2L. So we call this frequency as fundamental frequency or it is first harmonic. Repeat with me. All the harmonics are integral multiple of fundamental frequency. Bolo mere saath. Harmonics are integral multiple of fundamental frequency. Bolo. Harmonics are integral multiple of fundamental frequency.
Fundamental frequency.
So this harmonic is this frequency is first integral multiple of fundamental frequency. That is why it is called as first harmonic. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is the length here? Length is lambda by 2, right? All of you are aware about nodes and antinodes? All of you are aware about nodes and antinodes? Shiv Kalyan Shetty ji,
No.
बताइए.
No, sir.
हाँ, तो तुम तो बेटा, तुम रुको, तुमको एक दिन प्रसाद मिलने वाला है. गोवा आके तेरे कान खींचूंगा मैं. कोई बात नहीं. देखो, ये दो नोड्स होते हैं. नोड्स का मतलब होता है that this is the they are having the minimum displacement, zero displacement. They will not displace at all, right? Between two nodes there is a antinode. ये हमेशा होगा. दो मिनिमा के बीच में एक मैक्सिमा जरूर होगा, right? तो this is how the particles are oscillating. All of them will go upwards and all of them will come downwards. अगर अभी बाकी है ये, रुको. So now this is a node again. ठीक है. तो ऐसा. So the distance between two consecutive nodes is always remember it's lambda by 2. And distance between two consecutive antinodes is, this is an antinode, this is an antinode. So the distance between two consecutive antinodes is lambda by 2. I hope you understood, all of you. Okay. Now distance
sir.
between a consecutive node and an antinode is, ये क्या होगा? This will be lambda by 4. I hope all of you are aware of it now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अब देखो यहाँ पर, देखो इसको length को देखो. What is it calling? What is length here? Length is lambda by 2. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when length is lambda by 2, so, and we already know that there is one node here and one node here. And this is the length also, right? This was x is equal to 0 and x is equal to L. Now, can there be any other node in between them? Janvi, can there be any other node in between them?
No, sir.
Why?
No.
If I put a node here, what will happen? Explain.
There can actually be another one, sir. Because I mean, if there's a string in between, and
There is a
as it
string in
is,
between. Yes.
yeah,
Then, can there be a node in between
yes, sir.
for this particular condition?
No.
Why? Why? इसीलिए तो तुमसे पूछा है मैंने. मुझे पता है तुमको पता है. बताओ. What is the distance between two nodes?
It's L by 2, sir.
नहीं, lambda by 2. Not
Yeah,
L by 2.
lambda
It's
by-
lambda by 2.
Yeah, lambda.
So now what is lambda here? What is lambda by 2 here? It's L. But in this case, what is happening? L by 2 is lambda by 2. Yes or no? So L is lambda, which is not
Yes.
possible for this case. Yes or no?
I don't understand, sir. Why isn't it possible
Arre,
if there's like
nahi. There is, in this case, for n is equal to 1, length is lambda by 2 only.
L
If-
is lambda by 2? Okay.
Yes, L is lambda by
Yeah,
2.
yes, sir.
If there is one more node, then what does L become?
Yes,
L
sir,
becomes
yes, sir,
lambda
got
by
it.
2 plus lambda by 2 becomes lambda. So this is not the condition here, na? Condition
Yes.
to ye. So that is why there cannot be any node in between them. All of you understood this, the reasoning? Bhavani understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shiv Kalyan
Yes,
Shetty
sir.
understood? Shreyashi, Lakshit, Krisha, Anu,
Yes, sir. Yes,
श्रृंखला,
sir.
बहुत बढ़िया. तो यहां पर but there will be an antinode here, right? So all these particles will go upwards and all of them will come downwards simultaneously. And this is how it will look like. ठीक है? देखो, if you are showing one line as a bold line, na, one line as a continuous line, then rest of the line should be or rest of the arc should be dotted lines. ये important है, ठीक है? नहीं तो ये गॉड पार्टिकल हो जाएगा, एक साथ एक टाइम पे दो जगह प्रेजेंट, वो नहीं चलेगा, ठीक है? All of you understood this or not? You understood the
Sir,
diagram?
can you
Yes,
repeat?
Yes, sir.
हाँ हाँ, भवानी बताओ.
Can you repeat last point, sir? What is bold line?
हाँ 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 हाँ. See, this line is the, अरे हाँ, भवानी जी देखिए, ये जो लाइन है ना, ये वाली लाइन जो है, this is the continuous line. Yes or no? And these two are
Yes, sir.
perforated lines. Yes or no? This
Yes, sir.
continuous line is indicating that all the particles are present here as of now. And they will, the perforated lines are indicating that the particles will be at these locations at some point in time.
Yes.
Right? Now, they cannot be, if I make this one as a continuous line, what will happen? This indicates that a same particle, this particle is located here also at the same instant.
It
So-
is not possible.
Which is not possible. नहीं तो गॉड हो जाएगा ना, गॉड पार्टिकल हो जाएगा, चार जगह प्रेजेंट हो सकता है, ओमनी प्रेजेंट. ऐसे तो है नहीं है, वेव है ये.
Yes.
नाउ अब देखो, फॉर n इज इक्वल टू 2, जगह नहीं है यार यहाँ पे, चलो मैं इधर बनाता हूँ. हाँ, ये बना ही हुआ है. फॉर n इज इक्वल टू 2, ऑल ऑफ यू प्लीज पे अटेंशन. What is length? Length is 2 lambda by 2. And what is frequency? Frequency is 2v by 2l. Right? This is first overtone. Frequency after fundamental frequency. Frequencies after fundamental frequencies are overtones. So this is the first overtone, right? And which harmonic? Shreyashi ji bataiye which harmonic? अरे श्रेयसी,
Sir,
कहाँ चली गई तुम? बताओ जरा, ये क्या है? कौन सा हार्मोनिक है?
first है.
हे देवी, ये बताओ कौन सा इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल है ये? फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी का कौन सा इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल है बेटा? ये देखो, दिस वाज फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी, यस और नो?
Yes, sir. Sorry, second.
तुम सो रही थी क्या?
नहीं sir.
नींद आ गई?
नहीं sir.
अच्छा चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब बताओ क्या होगा? श्रृंखला, which fundamental, which frequency, which multiple?
Second harmonic, sir.
सेकेंड हार्मोनिक, शाबाश. श्रेयसी जी, आप कुछ तो आपने घपला किया है अभी. देखो ये, दिस वाज द वेव. 2 लैम्डा बाई 2 चाहिए ना तुमको, देखो मैंने ये बनाया है यहाँ पे 2 लैम्डा बाई 2. अंडरस्टूड ऑल ऑफ यू?
Yes, sir.
This is lambda by 2 and this one is again lambda by 2. So this is lambda. I hope all of you understood it. अब सुनो मेरी बात. All of you will draw it for n is equal to 3. All of you draw it for n is equal to 3 quickly. पहले ड्रॉ करोगे फिर कॉपी करने दूंगा. करो ड्रॉ इसको जल्दी से. Write which harmonic, which overtone and how many loops. एकदम 2 मिनट के अंदर ड्रॉ करना है, जल्दी से करो. हो गया? n is equal to 3. Bhavani,
Yes.
which overtone? What is length?
Second what?
And what is length? Bhavani.
3 lambda by 2.
And frequency?
3v by 12.
Okay, Shiv, which harmonic?
Just third harmonic.
Shabash, third harmonic. And how many loops, Shiv?
Sir, 3.
3 loops. Very good. All of you got the same answer. Krisha, Anu, Lakshit, Shreyashi,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Manasvi,
Yes, sir.
Janvi. Shabash. Very good, beta. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. So now copy this. एक बार अगर देखो पढ़ते भी जाना. If you find any doubt anywhere, ठीक है, just ask me. I'll explain again. लिखते जाओ, पढ़ते जाओ. कहीं डाउट आता है पूछो. देखो जीवन में कभी दोबारा तुम्हें रटना नहीं पड़ेगा इसको. समझ के लिखो इसको. प्रॉब्लम होती है when you don't understand it. Then you have to remember all sorts of nonsense equations और उसके बाद फिर दिमाग में इकट्ठा करो बस ये.
Sir. 1 minute, sir.
नहीं माय बैड. श्लेषा जी 45 मिनट्स का लेक्चर मैं तुमको अभी पढ़ा दूं? ऐसे कैसे? तुम एक काम करो, इसके बाद आराम से रिकॉर्डिंग देखना और फिर तुम मुझसे पूछना, कुछ तुमको समझ नहीं आएगा तो. ठीक है?
Sir.
हाँ बोलना बेटा.
When we want to superimpose like 2 waves, why shouldn't the time be the same?
Time?
If the time for the 2 waves at which velocity they're going, if it's different, then is it accurate
No.
to super?
नहीं. See, then you are seeing what? There are 2 different times, there are 2 different instances when that particular waves are crossing that point. तो वो impact same instant पे same particle पे कहाँ हुआ?
Sir, but in these conditions, you didn't say that it's necessary for the time should be same, right?
हाँ इसमें तो नेसेसरी होना चाहिए ना, नहीं तो कैसे होगा?
हाँ sir.
See what will happen. नहीं, there is a time difference also, there is a phase difference because of time difference also. ऐसा नहीं है कि those waves cannot be superposed, but you will not be getting a perfect standing wave. Even if the amplitude is not same, you will not be getting a perfect standing wave.
Okay, sir.
I'll explain it to you why these waves are called standing waves. Just a second. ये हो गया बेटा लिख के सबका. ये श्लेषा, ये है बेटा स्टेशनरी वेव्स, स्टैंडिंग वेव्स की बात कर रहे हैं, वेव्स इन स्ट्रिंग. ठीक है? ये लास्ट क्लास में तुम आई थी या नहीं आई थी थर्सडे को? कहाँ चली गई है अब श्लेषा? हाँ. Once you are done, please type done in the comment window. डन। चलो, श्रेयसी, जानवी,
अन्नू।
कृषा। हाँ हाँ, लिखो, आराम से लिखो, कोई बात नहीं, टेक योर टाइम। Once you are done, please type done, huh? Sorry, sir. In the mid, there came an urgent call. That's why I lost the rhythm. चलो, मनस्वी हो गया बेटा?
जी
शिव,
सर।
बहुत बढ़िया। कोई ऐसा अनु हुआ बेटा? नहीं हुआ? अनु अनु चलो, अब देखो, इफ यू रिमेंबर, what did I say about these points, the nodes? The nodes were moving or not? Hello? The nodes were moving or
Yes,
not?
sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
The nodes will not move. There will be some points, on this medium, on this string, which will not change, which will not move from their place. ठीक है? So the disturbance, beyond this point, see, every particle is oscillating about its own position, mean position, right? But the disturbance on this half or between two nodes will not be able to pass through this. Yes or no? Or in other words, I can say that the energy is confined between these two nodes. Yes or no? All of you. Shiv Kalyan
Yes, sir.
Shetty,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Manasvi Bhavani,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
the
sir.
energy cannot pass beyond these 2 points, right? So always remember that what was happening in plane progressive wave, mein, the energy was transferred by the wave from one point to another, right? In this case, it is confined between these 2 points. So that is why these waves are called as stationary waves or standing waves. Understood? ये
Yes, sir.
प्रोग्रेसिव वेव्स
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
है, these are not progressive waves, these are standing waves. Okay, so please remember it. अब देखो, एक बात बताओ, उस दिन मैंने तुम्हें स्ट्रिंग फिक्स्ड एट वन एंड करवाया था क्या? वो 2a का एम्पलीट्यूड दिखाया था क्या तुमको मैंने? चेक करो तो। नहीं करवाया था तो देख लो। स्ट्रिंग फिक्स्ड एट और एक सेकेंड, reflection of the wave, reflection of a wave from the free end of the string of a string. इसको ध्यान से सुनना बेटा। हाँ, देखो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है। दिस इज अ frictionless rod. This is a frictionless rod. And on this rod, what is happening here is एक वेव है, एक वेव पल्स है जो ये ऐसा है। एक वेव पल्स है, दिस इज द वेव पल्स, राइट? And the amplitude of this pulse is A. Okay. And here there is a small ring. This ring is massless. This is a ring and it is massless. And it can move on this free rod, on this rod, which is frictionless rod. Okay. Now what happens when this pulse reaches at this point? देखो बच्चों, जब ये पल्स यहां आएगा ना, there is no medium on the other side. Yes or no? All of you, please say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And here what will happen is this half of the wave will keep on vanishing. ठीक है, it will vanish. It will keep on, मतलब इसको क्या बोलना चाहिए? हाँ, ठीक ही बोल रहा हूं। ये दिखाई देना बंद हो जाएगा, ये खत्म होने वाला है। Wave is terminating. This pulse is not going anywhere, right? But what happens is, since there is energy and there is no loss of energy taking place, since there is energy and there is no loss of energy taking place, so what will happen is this wave will get reflected from this end, as if this open end is making some wave of this kind. यहां पर ये जो पल्स है ये खत्म होने लगेगा, जो इनकमिंग पल्स है वो खत्म होने लगेगा, बट एक पल्स यहाँ पे एक रिफ्लेक्टेड वेव ये जो मीडियम से है वो बनाने लगेगा, राइट? और फाइनली ये जो लूप तुम देख रहे हो ना यहाँ पर, ये इट विल शूट टू अ वैल्यू ऑफ a/2, sorry 2a. It will shoot to a value of 2a. देखो ऐसा क्यों होता है वो तुम्हें बता रहा हूं मैं, रुको अभी। सो दिस लेंथ विल बी 2a, इसका a हो गया, और इधर से आने वाला ये जो डॉटेड पल्स दिखा रहा हूं तुम्हें उसका a हो गया, तो दोनों ने मिलकर कितना उठा दिया इसको, a और a 2a, राइट? और ये जो विड्थ है ना, दिस विड्थ इज half of what was the original pulse. This width is half of what was the original pulse. So if this pulse was say d, then this will be d/2. Now see what is happening here. All of you remember that day when we discussed that when the wave is reflected from, or when the wave is incident from a high velocity medium to a low velocity medium. You remember this or not? Reflection and
Yes, sir.
transmission of wave. So what was happening was the reflected pulse was inverted in shape. याद आया नहीं आया? बना के दिखाता हूं, देखो, सीखो। सब ऐसे देख रहे हो जैसे पहली बार देखा है तुमने। देखो, please pay attention. See, this is a wave of high velocity, and sorry, this is a medium of high velocity and this is a medium of low velocity, right? When the pulse is generated here, and it comes to this medium, the reflected pulse will be inverted in shape and the transmitted pulse will be of the same orientation, right? So here, if this was P, this was Q, and this is R, velocity of wave in PQ is greater than velocity of wave in QR. Now what happens when we reverse it? So now we are generating a pulse on this medium. Okay. And the reflected pulse will be of the same orientation, and the transmitted pulse will be of the same orientation. Yes or no? So here VQR was less than VPR. So the wave incident pulse was in a medium of low velocity. And then it was incident on the interface between the medium. It was incident from low velocity medium to high velocity medium. समझ आ रहा है बेटा? सबको नहीं आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो ये
Yes, sir.
तुमने पढ़ा है
Yes,
पिछली क्लास में, ठीक है? मानसवी समझ आया बेटा, नहीं आया ये?
आया सर.
ठीक है. अब देखो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. Now this string is a low velocity medium because there is ether or there is vacuum on the other side. Yes or no? After this
Yes.
string ends, there is no medium, right? So on this medium, the pulse is incident from low velocity to high velocity medium. But here there is no medium to propagate, right? So the entire pulse will fall back. And this is how they superpose. यहाँ पे on the right hand side, you can see this dotted line. The ether is creating this pulse, and this pulse is actually vanishing. The incoming pulse is vanishing and this pulse is generating, right? Both of them, they together displace the ring by a value of 2a upwards. Downwards भी कर सकते हैं, downward का wave होना चाहिए, right? Now finally how the wave will look like? All of you देखो. Finally the wave pulse will look like this. ऐसा दिखाई देगा और इधर जाता हुआ दिखाई देगा. It will have the same amplitude as it was having for the incident pulse. Understood all of you? Just say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
could you explain the two-way part once again?
अच्छा
How
देखो,
the-
देखो सुनो. ये जो incident pulse है, that is going away. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is gradually deteriorating. ठीक है? But the energy is conserved, right?
Yes, sir.
Now what is happening here is there is a pulse which is getting reflected from the free end.
Yes, sir.
And since the wave was traveling from low energy, low velocity to a high velocity medium, the reflected pulse will be of the same orientation.
Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So when it is getting reflected and same orientation, that particle with the ring, it will be displaced A because of the incoming wave and A because of the outgoing wave. Sorry, reflected wave.
Okay, sir.
And those A and A will make it 2A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All of you understood?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो यहाँ वापस आते हैं, ठीक है? ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, इसीलिए मैं तुम्हें बार बार पूछ रहा हूँ, करवा रहा हूँ, और इसको समझो, समझ के याद रखोगे तो it will be very helpful for you. Now we are discussing a string fixed at one end. A string fixed at one end. So first case remains the same. At x is equal to 0, the displacement of the particle is 0, that is YR is 0. So this gives me AR is 0, so 2A sine K0 into plus delta by 2 is 0. Sine delta by 2 is equal to 0. Got it, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
for this case, everything will change. Please pay attention. कहीं मत जाना, यहीं ध्यान लगाओ. Don't copy paste. छापन छपाई काम बाद में करना. At x is equal to L, all of you pay attention. At x is equal to L, the displacement of the particle is not. Here we will not talk about displacement of the particle. We will talk about the amplitude of the particle. The amplitude is plus minus 2A. Yes or no? The amplitude is 2A. The amplitude is plus minus 2A. Yes or no? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
क्योंकि वो ऊपर भी जा सकता है, नीचे भी आ सकता है. एम्पलीट्यूड तो एक ही बार डिस्प्लेस होगा ना. मानसवी, शिव, समझ आ रहा है बेटा?
Yes,
भवानी, श्रेयसी,
Yes,
Yes,
All right,
sir.
sir.
हाँ. अब यहाँ पे देखो क्या होगा. This will be plus minus 2a. And जानवी, क्या आएगा यहाँ पे? जनरल सोल्यूशन. KL will be
N times of 2a.
अच्छा.
No,
अच्छा.
no, sir, no, N times of.
डांट खाएगी, बहुत तेज बता रहा हूं मैं. तुम मैथ्स में
plus
तुम लोग को पढ़ाते लिखाते नहीं है क्या सब? n plus 1 by 2 times pi, where n starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here n can take values of 0 because for that L is not becoming 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
अब देखो. So length L is equal to n plus 1 by 2 times lambda by 2. Because k is 2 pi by lambda. And frequency f is n plus 1 by 2 v by 2L. Bhavani, understood?
Yes.
For n is equal to 0, for n is equal to 0, length L is equal to lambda by 4 and frequency f is equal to v by 4L. Okay? This is this is fundamental frequency. Or this is first harmonic. Now, how will the string look like? String will look like this. देखो, पहले तो ऐसे straight string बना लो. ये क्या होगा बेटा? ये होगा node. This will be antinode. Now the length is only lambda by 4. So can there be any node or antinode in between these two nodes and antinodes? This is x is equal to 0. This is x is equal to L. Shiv Kalyan Shetty ji, बताइए, can there be any other node or
Sir,
antinode in
no,
between
no,
them?
sir.
No, absolutely not. Manasvi, Bhavani, Janvi, Shlesha, Shreyasi,
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ठीक
Yes,
है. तो अब यहां पर एंटीनोड को ऐसे बना लो, ऊपर नीचे, एंड ऐसा आएगा. ठीक है. So half loop will be formed. I hope all of you understood this. देखो, for n is equal to 1 बनाता हूं, ठीक है? अरे नहीं. For n is equal to 1, what is length? It's 3 lambda by 4. What is frequency? It's 3v by 4L. And this is what? This is first overtone. Manasvi, are you there?
yes, sir.
Which harmonic, beta?
Fifth harmonic.
नहीं
sir.
नहीं 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 नहीं. What was harmonic? All of
Sir,
you say with
third
me.
harmonic.
Third harmonic. Harmonics are integral multiples of fundamental frequency.
Yes,
So which
sir.
integral multiple is this?
3.
Third integral
Third,
multiple.
Third, yes, sir.
Third, yeah.
So that is
sir.
why it is third harmonic. ठीक है. ड्रॉ करेंगे तो कैसा दिखाई देगा बेटा? देखो, this is x is equal to L and this is an antinode, right? This is x is equal to 0. So antinode remains antinode and a node remains node, right? But since it is 3 lambda by 4, So there will be another node here
Yes.
and an antinode here, right? So ultimately this will look like this. बोलो प्यारे बच्चों, समझ आया कि नहीं आया? जल्दी से।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
शाबाश, छापो। ये पूरा लिखोगे है ना यहाँ पे? हेलो, स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम स्ट्रिंग फिक्स्ड एट वन एंड एंड कंप्लीट दिस, ओके?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, और ये यहाँ पर एक
Sir,
ऐसे, हाँ यस बोलो।
if it is string fixed
एक
at
सेकंड,
one
एक
end,
सेकंड,
always.
एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड। ये ऐसे स्टार लगाना यहाँ पे, कंटिन्यूटी में यहाँ से भी ये चालू होगा, उसमें वाले में भी लगाना, सो दैट आफ्टर दिस यू हैव टू रीड दिस। हाँ बोलो भवानी, आस्क।
If it is string fixed at one end, always it will be in between node and antinode, right?
यस
If two ends, it is two nodes, right, sir?
यस, because both the ends are
Sir,
fixed, so that will be a node.
yes.
The
sir.
free end will always be an
Sir,
antinode. हाँ बोलो।
how did you write n plus 1 by 2 pi? It is n plus 1 into pi. right?
तुम मैथ्स पढ़ी हो कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, साइन पाई बाई 2 क्या होता है बताओ?
Sin pi by 2.
हाँ बोलो, व्हाट इज साइन पाई?
45,
बोलो।
1, sir.
1. What is sin 3 pi by 2?
3 pi by 2, 3 into 180 by 2, 190. Sin 1.
हे देवी, -1 होता है,
-1.
तो +1 -1
Yes,
+1
sir. Yes,
-1
sir.
+1 -1. That is why I have written n plus 1 by 2 times pi.
Sir, I did not understand.
अच्छा ये लिखो पहले, फिर समझाता हूँ तुम। You wait.
Yes.
ठीक है, let all of them write and then I'll explain because I need space to write. तुमने लिख लिया? You have taken the notes?
No, sir.
From Monday onwards, okay, all of you, your tests will be activated for all the chapters, okay, from Monday onwards. So start taking the tests, especially 12th standard students. 11th standard students, your 11th standard topics will be activated. So please take those notes, okay?
Sir,
हाँ बोलो।
I think I don't have access to that.
You don't have testing portal का ID and password?
No, sir.
ठीक है, आज रुको, क्लास के बाद बनाते हैं। मनस्वी, you have testing portal का ID password बेटा?
No, sir.
अच्छा, वो भी तुम्हारे लिए ही बनाते हैं।
Okay.
तो प्लीज थोड़ी देर रुकना, हाँ 5
Yes,
मिनट
sir.
बस। अच्छा हो गया, नहीं हो गया ये?
Done, sir.
डन ना?
1 minute.
1 minute.
Sir,
बोलो बोलो बोलो।
सर फिर इसके लिए मतलब लास्ट वाला के लिए when n is equals to 1 तो लूप कितना लिखूंगा सर? मतलब
1.5 1.5 लूप, 1.5 ही ना हुआ?
हाँ सर
तो
एक्चुअली तो
श्रेयसी जो दिख रहा है वही लिखना
ठीक है सर।
है ना? If you have done, if you are done, just write done in the comment window and we'll be done with this chapter then. Tuesday ko we will be doing numericals based on this chapter. Okay. All of you, please come prepared by watching all the 3 videos of waves. Oh, हाँ बोल रहा हूँ ना मैं, ठीक है, सुनाई दे रहा है ना? Okay. Tuesday we will be solving
sir.
numericals on transverse waves. All of you watch all the 3 recordings, 3 sessions of from the Physics Pro Gold and join that session. Okay. It will be a numerical solving session of transverse wave. All of you, please pay attention. Please come prepared. And Shiv Kalyan Shetty ji, please
Yes,
पढ़ के
sir.
आइएगा. हाँ.
ठीक है सर.
मानसवी, साई भवानी, श्रेयसी, ये कोई नहीं
Yes,
बोलेगा मुझे पता ही नहीं था. ठीक है, सबके नाम ले रहा हूं
हाँ
मैं.
sir.
श्रृंखला,
Yes,
भवानी,
yes.
श्लेषा और बाकी सब भाग गए. मैं क्लास में लिख दूंगा अभी आज उसमें. जानवी,
Yes, sir.
okay. फिर Thursdays, next Thursday and Saturday we will do sound waves.
ठीक है सर.
आज क्या है?
सैटरडे सर.
ठीक है, चलो हो गया. तो आप लोग जा सकते हैं और प्लीज बाकी लोग जो हैं, जिन लोगों को आईडी चाहिए, इसके पास आईडी नहीं है, भवानी और मानसवी. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज वेट बेटा, 2 मिनट रुकना. मैं भी तुम्हारी आईडी क्रिएट करके अभी तुम लोग को. जानवी, you tried accessing that or not?
Yes, sir, I got it.
You were able to access it?
Yes, sir.
बस तो फिर मस्त रहो. ठीक है,
थैंक यू सर.
ओके बच्चों,
Thank you, sir.
Good
Bye,
night.
sir.
Good
थैंक
night.
यू सर. बाय सर. गुड नाइट सर.
ट्यूसडे के लिए